Whew, I am wore out. I gotta check my app on my drone app and see if it has an easier way to locate the drone once it goes down in tall grass. Cause I walked and walked and walked. I lost my drone. I lost it. I wasn't so awesome today. I'm out at the park in Apopka, and it's huge. And I was just flying around taking pictures and video of the Amphitheater, and thought I would just fly down the sidewalk and fly back. And it decided to land where it was at. I don't know if I pushed a button or what, but it just landed. It landed all by itself, and I was in a panic. And the grass was so freaking tall, it wouldn't take off again. It would say it's going to take off, but it wouldn't take off. But anyway, enjoy laughing at me at my expense and watch some of this video. And I lost my drone. Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to check my little map here. I'm at the Amphitheater in Apopka. It's a recreational place, huge place. I recommend coming out, I think. I'm going to click on my FAA map. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it shows right there that it's good to go. It's green. No restrictions, except for your 400 feet with your drone. Pull them down and out.
Take off.
And start it up.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And now we're going to switch to the drone for video. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll have another video for you soon. I'll try not to shake my hand so much next time, but that's what happens when you get old. See you later. Bye. You naughty boy. You naughty boy. I found you. But man, what are you doing to me? Huh. Son of a gun.